Hi guys, joining us today is Mr. Sathishkumar G, CFO at Director and CFO at Wonkrew Capital and uh, Director of Equity Research at Unique Capital. He brings deep experience in startup funding, financial strategy, unlisted shares buying and selling, retail and institutional, pre-IPO fund, and guidance and guiding businesses through growth and investment. If you're looking to understand how to raise funds, structure your startup financially, or attract the right investors, this episode will definitely help you. So sit back and enjoy the conversation. How are you, sir?
Yeah, I'm good. What about you?
I'm good, thank you. So, please tell us about yourself. So, tell us about your early life. Where are you from? Tell us about your education and what companies did you work in before starting your own ventures.
Yeah. So actually, I'm born and brought up Chennai.
Okay.
So I'm a Chennai guy.
Okay.
So I actually I studied my school. Uh, One is for JRK during my from LKG to 7th standard. After that, actually, I joined my uh, another school is for Ramakrishna Mission Higher Secondary School that is there in T Nagar. Then actually I moved to my college. So college I studied in DG Vaishnava.
Okay.
So after that actually I completed my PGDM MBA at ITM Business School.
Okay.
So after that also I studied MSc Yoga and meditation.
Okay.
From Madras University. So then actually I studied some of these financial courses for NISM and financial modeling.
Okay.
So these are all actually I have done my career.
Okay. What companies have you worked in?
So actually I'm during my college days I worked with various IT companies.
Okay.
So as a call center guy, so that time actually more familiar with the call center and everything.
Okay.
So that time itself inspired me to start a company.
Okay.
So I have also started one company, but sometime later actually we didn't understand about more business that time.
Okay.
So that's why we lost that.
Okay.
So and after that also I worked with some of part-time job. This Vasant and Co, Vivek and Co as a sales representative. Okay. So where I learned how to do a sales. Okay. That is the way I learned for sales. That helps me for various places. So that I can explain over a period. That is a way we can because how to sell your product. Yes. So when you are that time I'm just 18 to 19 years. Before that, whenever I'll go for my playing cricket or whatever it is, that time also I will see that any opportunity to earn money. Okay. So just we'll do for water packets and getting that some revenue out of that, and we'll sell that some of their juices. During that period, you know that huge crowd will be there. At least 300 to 400 people will be there. So there is. So I'll see that opportunity there. When I'm work with this part-time Vivek and Co or probably Vasant and Co, I know that okay. So how we need to attract a customer. So what actually really customer is looking for that. So I understand that. So then actually after that after I completed my UG, then I got a chance to work with one IT company. Okay. Where I understand that this bill discounting. So then I decided to study the MBA at business school. Okay. So where I can understand that okay, that's complete. The subject is completely different. You need to do understand more about case studies and business values and how to do a business and everything. Where I can really understand about that how we can take forward for the business. So then after I completed this UG, after completed that PG. So during that first year PG itself, I joined as internship program. Okay. For that this Magendra and Magendra Finance. Okay. So the internship itself, I learned a lot of things. Okay. So end of the day, we need to sell that mutual fund product. Yes. Okay. So after that, again, I got that one more internship for I worked with this Sharkan India. So where I can understand about that more, how to do a trading. So how to do a stock market, everything. Before that, I'm just doing a stock market during my college days, because most of my college friends are Marwadis. Okay, these people will be know that how to trade that stock. So that's the way I can learn that. Okay. So this is the way I learned about business and marketing, and also how to do for trading and everything. So after that, I joined Reliance. Reliance mutual fund company. So where they can say that, okay, that is also I get that opportunity to work with business development manager. They said, okay, you have this much target, you need to achieve that. This you have high net worth individual, you need to target that. Okay. Then I decided that, okay, end of the day, I can list out that my contacts, okay, whom I approached. If I'm getting that close, my target is 1 crores, but I fixed my target is 10 crores. Okay, then I approached one famous actor. Okay, so I hear that, okay, it's because they want to do some insurance for their particular child for that. Okay. Then I go and went there, approach that. I can close 10 crores. Then entire India is surprised. This whole all these branches are surprised. Okay, how these guys closed. Because people are struggling to close even 10 lakhs. It's just like that. It's close to 10 crores. So simply by end of the day, I use my contacts and my things. Okay, that's why I understand that. Okay, I have more networking power. So networking is a network. So I always believe that. Use my network only. I have did that. So then I joined with, okay, I understand about sales. Okay, where how generally they will be do that research. Okay, how they can choose a stock. Then okay, here I want to join. I'm earning 40 to 50,000. Then I left that job. Okay, I want to learn. So I want to learn more about long-term investment. Okay. So I joined with the Trustline Holding Private Limited. So I didn't know about how to do a research. So surprisingly, I got the opportunity to learn. That time it's very small organization. So I directly reported to founder and fund manager. So every day I got to learn a lot of things. From there, actually, I learned about investments. So how to do a long-term investment and how to do a investment strategy. How to choose a stocks. So how to do a valuation, everything. So from there only I'll also learn how to do startup investment. So what are all criteria we need to look at that startup investment? Because one of their client, actually they are keep on investing startups. So where I can also understand about that more number of startups. Okay, they'll ask me to do a valuation. They ask me to do a complete study about that. Okay, that's the way I can also learn that. So how to do that investment. Okay, for startup. So then actually after that I moved to work with a credit and rating company. So India Factoring Private Limited. So where I work as a credit and risk manager of South India. So where I learned about credit and risk and debt related thing. Then I work with the CRISIL rating company. Then I work with the World Bank. Then I work with the venture capital. So this is a way I learned various field about finance. So so after that, actually, I decided that in various stages I understand about from startup to IPO. So how to do this entire process. So during that period, whatever I earn, I start investing business through my friends or some of them, whoever close people. I'm start investing that.
So could you tell us about Wonkrew and Unique Capital? What do these companies do?
Okay, so if you look at that Wonkrew, previously actually our company name is Sats Venture and Nudges Private Limited. So how it will be started? Actually, I go for a mini networking event. So where I can meet more people, I'll go for group gathering or any the founder meetup or probably any kind of networking event. I'll go there. So in doing that networking meeting, one of the networking meeting only, I actually found my founder and co-founder my company. So initially we were discussing about their one of their family members fundraising for that. After that, actually we decided that because that time I also more passionate to investing startup. He is also more passionate to investing startup. So he said that I can invest you. We both can be do startup fundraising, and also we can do put together we can do for startup investment. So that is the way we will engaging for that. First initial stage we started as a SATS venture and HS private limited. From there actually we move that. So we can we will do for valuation. We invest a startup, we mentoring a startup, we fundraised a few startup. So where I can feel more lagging for marketing. So most of our investment company itself, we see that so marketing is a big challenging for them. So then we set up that small team for that, and we can create a company called we can recreate a company called Wonkrew. So one more partner also we can involve him. So he is more on technical knowledge about that. My partner is more about IT knowledge. So all put together we started digital marketing and IT. So both the company we started that. Initially this is for fundraising company for startup and investment for startup. That rebrand name called Wonkrew. So that's the way this built for Wonkrew.
So Wonkrew still does digital marketing and also fundraising for startups also. And what's Unique Capital?
Unique Capital is more and more where actually that guy is also again I found he is my alumni. DG Vaishnava alumni. So I met him in alumni places and networking places. Wherever I feel the I met him 2-3 times, many places, and so after that I can understand that my knowledge he can also understand about my knowledge is more on equity side and investment side. And Unique Capital is more focusing on large corporate. If somebody want to raise a IPO or SME IPO or pre-IPO or probably unlisted shares buying and selling, or somebody want to do acquisition, merger, and IPO fundraising. So bulk deal, block deal. So these are all primary things they will do. I'm actually my job is more and more do for research and finding a right opportunity for that.
So can you walk us through the story of your first big win in business or investment?
So everyone is failure is a success, stepping stone of success. So that's the way I can also believe on that. So when it's doing my investment, actually initially I have invested one of the event management company. So where actually initially we failed that. So first initial investment for that. After that actually I have I learned that without knowing your business you should not invest. You should not be a as an investor. You should know about the knowledge of that business, because I blindly invested that. So these people are DJ and one person is for bot trend. So both the people have a knowledge. So I just invested for a pub and that event management company.
What was the investment, if you're comfortable sharing?
So I have invested around 15 to 20 lakhs investment that time I have did that. So without knowledge that whatever I earned that, I simply invested that. So, but I didn't know about that business. How this business is working. So how generally they are making revenue. How much EBITDA they are making that. How much expenditure they have. So totally how much end of the day how much PAT they'll generate that. So these scenarios I never think about that. I just, and more important, I don't have a technical knowledge. I'm not a DJ. I'm not a bartender. I'm not a event manager.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm simply putting that money. Okay. They're committed that they'll giving. They'll grow a business. Okay. I believe and invest it.
Okay.
So I understand that. Okay. Without knowing the business, we should not invest. Yes. Whatever I'm investing in the stock market also, without knowledge about that company, I won't invest. So this is what my mentor suggested me. Okay. If you don't have a knowledge, don't investment. Okay. But I thought that okay, this will be growth, that we should not learn all this business, right?
Yeah.
End of the day, you need to believe that.
Yes.
So at least you should learn that business without getting that knowledge.
Yeah.
Even you should not invest business as well.
Okay.
So, but stock market probably you should learn. That is what I thought that initially.
Yeah.
After that failure only, I got that. Okay, I got to know that. Okay, we should learn about the business.
Okay.
So next investment when we are going that, I started learning that.
So how many businesses have you invested in?
I invested 3 to 4 business.
Okay, you're an angel investor in those businesses. Okay. Could you share more about those businesses? What do they do? How
that is actually one more company is called. It's like food sector business. So where actually that time I decided that okay, so whatever business we want to invest, we should be understand more about that. Then only you can invest that. Okay. So I'll go and see that business. I'll go and see that regular business sales. Okay. This is actually more and more related to catering kind of business. Okay. So we actually getting that spaces for all this IT park. Okay, where you will be serve discount price for that particular employee. Okay. And also they will give a separate space. Okay. So where I can understand that. Okay, I'll go and see that entire supply chain. I don't have a experience in food business. I'm completely zero knowledge about that. Okay, I'm more knowledge about only this financial things. Okay, but my eager thing. Okay, I already failed one thing, so I want to learn that business. So I'll go and see that how they are making, and I interact with this chef. I interact with this particular salesperson. So that's the way I can understand that. Okay, so whole process. Okay, how many quantity generally they regularly come. Okay, you are getting that. So how many quantity we need to sell that. Based on that, okay, when we want to increase more quantity, and what are all products actually they are looking for. Once we will be getting that customer feedback, okay, we started introducing new products and what are all USP they are following that. So how much margin generally you will make that finally. So how this transport system will be there, how this supply chain will be working. So I'll go and entry and do that entire supply chain as well. So once it's 1.5 month, 2 month will be there, then I'll be go for another place where again one person will be stayed there first 10 days. One of our founder will be there. Then I can go and see that as a investor, as a I'm also will be a part of that team. So I'll go and see that. Though that time I'll completely forget about my investment. So only thing I can do for mentoring. So
so what sectors are the other 3 businesses in that you've invested?
Yeah, I have invested food sector. Okay. I have invested entertainment sector. Okay. So I have invested this impact investments. Okay. For environment. Okay. Okay. Also, I invested in IT company as well. Okay.
So what does your internal checklist look like before investing in or mentoring a new startup?
See, I can always see their vision and mission. Okay. So founder vision. Okay. What actually whether I can check with that founder have a really idea about that business. Okay. See, some of the founder what they will do that, right? They'll get it software with one guy and they simply promoting that product. Okay. If you are simply promoting that product, you will not know about that real idea about that. Yes. Okay. So that is where I can look more about that that founder vision and mission
Okay.
So these things I can, and also I can see the leadership quality.
Okay.
And what is the idea behind that? Why they choose this product? Will, and also I can look at that whether founder is invested that.
Okay.
And founder already have a experience on that, or founder is experiment on that. And founder will really done some kind of R&D on that.
Okay.
Okay. Already somebody's did some before going for a prototype. Manually, so if founder has done some kind of homework on that, that is also I can check with that.
Okay.
So these are all main point I can look at that, because more and more when we are investing early stage, right? More and more on founder name and founder vision and founder knowledge.
Yeah.
That is the way we are investing that. So I always prefer to look at that. So if founder is not contributing anything, that will be very difficult to do investment for us as well. Okay. So when I'm going for a mentor, right? Mentor, I always look at that whether they're really looking for mentor. Okay. As a mentor, I will not give any suggestion. I'll just listen that.
Okay.
Okay. During that listening itself, okay, he will give more ideas that I'll to that idea itself, I will give that some conclusion to that.
Okay.
So I should not give an idea and I should not give that more suggestion, because end of the day is baby. Okay. So we should actually, we want to, end of the day, every founder is looking for somebody should listen that and their idea and listen their vision, and they want some clarity. Okay. So that is why they will not asking for suggestion.
Okay.
Suggestion means they can go for any consultant. They don't want any mentors for that. Okay. Mentor is just they want to get that clarity and conclusion for overall their idea. Okay. And overall their vision. Okay. Overall their strategy. Okay. Whether my strategy is wrong or right. Okay. So that they require some person to discussion.
Okay. Okay. So what sectors or business models are you currently most bullish on for the next 5 to 10 years?
See, now everyone will be talking about more trend setting now is for deep tech.
Okay.
Okay. The future is deep tech. So all this product, whatever you are manufacturing, end of the day you require that deep tech knowledge is there. Okay. Yeah. Through that IoT and through that particular device, you need to have that connectivity. Okay. And you need to give automatic machine learning for that. So that require that more on deep tech. Okay. So that company actually there is more future for that. And semiconductor. Okay. Still, if you look at that, we don't have that much companies are there in semiconductor for, but there is everywhere. It's like looking for semiconductor. Okay. Even if you are looking that solar, you require semiconductor. Yeah. TV, you require semiconductor. Mobile, you require semiconductor. Computer, you require semiconductor. Yeah. So robo, you require semiconductor. And any product require a semiconductor. So for that, we that is a huge scope is there. And a huge scope is there. Because all this field nowadays for AI is learning that. Yeah. Okay. So keep investing for different various correlate with deep tech and AI put together. Probably huge scope will be there. Okay. And this environment tech. Okay. That is also looking for, because most of the products still doing in physically. Okay. So that is also require more knowledge about that. Okay. So that is also have a huge scope on that. And blockchain is huge scope. The technology itself having still huge scope is there. Okay. And metaverse is there. So that is also still scope is there. Okay. And entertainment segment is also huge scope. Entertainment tech. Somebody is doing for entertainment, because entertainment is still, there is no technologies involving that. So that technology will be booming for that. Entire things will be going forward. People are more investing for that.
So for early stage founders watching this, what do investors like you really look for before writing a check?
See, they need to see whatever ideas they have. First, they need to experiment that. Okay, whether this they need to validate their idea. Okay, this idea will be really workable, or this idea will be sustainable. This idea will be a scalable. So first, they need to work out all these things. So they need to do for proper R&D on that. Once they get that confident, okay, they need to do some experiment with their family members, friends, and their close people. Okay, once they get an idea, start asking for investment for those people. Okay, once they'll have a confident about that, okay, they feel that okay, this idea will be work out that, then probably if they come to us, that probably we can also think about, because whatever angel investor or any investor, they will not invest just like that. Okay, they always see their growth, and always they will interact more. Okay, after 3 to 4 months, if you want to start, want to start a company, or start to start a company, or want to rise up, you first go and interact with more people, and you start do a networking with investors. Okay, if you are planning for going for start a company for next 1 year, now itself you go and attend for many events, many networking events. Okay, so that's the way you can learn about investment. You can learn about their real what is their real expectation. Everything you can know about that, and they'll also see you. Okay, once you interact more about your product and your ideas, okay, over a period they can also travel with you. They can understand about you. Then probably they can invest you. Okay, one day they can't. Okay, just like that. Okay, you come and you will say your idea, just like that they will not invest. Okay, the angel investor, venture capital, private equity, whoever it may be, they always see your value and see your real effort. Okay, if you are really putting on the effort, okay, one first time always they'll say no. If they say no, always good that you are getting that experience on that. So after that they can say that okay, after 6 to 1 year, they will give some roadmap on that. Once you follow that roadmap, you itself follow that checklist. Okay, first month, okay, this level I achieved. Second month, this level I achieved. Okay, third month, whether I can achieve. Okay, when you are talking about valuation, before that, will you able to achieve that valuation? Okay, otherwise they will put some class. If you are not properly do that valuation, or properly do that particular achievement, okay, so they'll bring it some classes. Okay, and they will discount that value, and they take over your more number of shares. Anti-dilution class is there. Okay, when they go for anti-dilution class, then you will have more problem on that. So that is why we need to be always say that okay, when you are have a vision, and also you should have a backup plan for that. If your idea is not work out, you should have migrate that. Okay, you should success with another idea. Okay, back up that idea always with that. Okay, if this idea it's not work out, you should have backup with another idea. Okay, probably that idea will work out. Okay, because whatever investor is investing, right, they're expecting return. Okay, we need to change our plan. So that's why always this pilot will have, when they start flight, they have always have a two destination. Okay, before that, if have a problem with one destination, they'll go for another destination. So that is the way we should have that idea itself two plan. If first plan is not work out, first 2-3 rounds, then we need to implement second plan. So end of the day, we need to be safeguard on that. Okay, that is the way more investor will invest that serial entrepreneur.
Do you think bootstrapping is underrated in India, especially when everyone is chasing VC money?
See, bootstrapping is always good for that. See, end of the day, if you are building one product, okay, you should have a goal to make a profit. Okay. Previously, the game scenario is different. Okay. So, if you are making revenue, even if you are not making a profit, okay. Now, investor is very clear on that. If you day one itself, you have a plan for profitability. If you look at that, most of the companies like OYO, now it's profitable. Okay. Then they are coming for IPO. So without profitability, you can't sustainable your model. You Byju's example for that. Okay. If you look at that bankrupt. Okay. So always you should be playing with investor money is always risky thing. You are responsible to ask. You are responsible to reply that. You are responsible to delivery that. You are responsible to convey more message to investor. Okay. And anytime investor will take over. Okay. That risk will be there. If you are not performing, some stages investor will appointed certain CEOs. Investor will take over that business. Okay. So end of the day, whatever investor is investing, there is no, even if you are saying that okay, I'm holding majority of stake, investor is holding less stake. There is nothing like that. Okay. If investor is investing even 5%, they have all the rights to do anything. Okay. So after once they appointed as a director and thing, so always when you are okay, always vision that okay, really require for investment. If you are require investment, for that investment, what is your real strategy? You want to pay your debt, or do you want to spend your money for marketing and grow your business and scalable your business? Okay, that vision is there, then you can go for investment. If you look at that Fiscal or major Zogo, they didn't ask for investment. Okay, but they're all one of the leading company in global. Okay, unless your product will be you are spending more on R&D and you want to require really investment, okay, then only go for investment. Always your focus should be making revenue and making profitability. Okay, that is your most important things. Okay, my suggestion is okay, most of the time you no need to require investment. Better you, instead of searching for investor, you more catch for your customer, your client. See, investor, you should not chase for investor. Investor will come to you. If your model is good, investor automatically come. They will say that okay, see, I want to invest it. I want to contribute some. In that is the case, you can easily get that money. See, people will see that, right? Your brand value, your product, and your things. Automatically, people will come and invest you. Don't chase for investment. Investor come and chase you. Okay, that strategy you always maintain for that. For that, you need to build a quality product and give a quality service. When you are giving quality service to your customer, automatically customer will come to you, and customer is one of the investor for you. Strategical investor. Customer probably you are a crowd investor. Customer probably for your angel investor. That is the way I always suggest to people for that. And bootstrap, when your mind is bootstrap and I have enough of money to grow that, when you are start a business, you should have at least 1 or 2 years backup of fund. Without that, if you start that, you will be end of days trouble, because one side you will be chased for investor, another side you will be end of the month you will be you need to give a salary, you need to give for rental, you need to take care of your family as well, and you need to give for your creditor as well. Okay, all these things you need to manage that. Then you don't have a choice for that. You'll go for loan. When you are going for loan, again you will be in that trap. Okay, if you are not making enough of money, So if you are 100 rupees you are making, try to maintain your all expenses 20 to 30 rupees. 70 rupees if you have a backup, that will be sustainable for you. That okay, maintain and take those kind of business ideas and work out all these things. And also work, understand everything about company first you. Okay, instead of hiring more people, better you do that job. But initial stage, okay, even all these financial things you should learn that. Okay, I'm science student, okay, I don't know about finance. Don't say like that. Okay, you should learn about also finance. You should learn about also marketing. You should learn about also technical skill. You should learn about also customer service. And you should learn about also how to be a leader. So all these scenarios, once you know that, then you can, when it's require, okay, really require, okay, then you can hire that. Okay, always maintain that limited hiring people. That's the way most of the bootstrap companies are success in their field. Okay. So, okay, they will not touch it. Okay, so whatever Zogo product, they simply marketing that product everywhere. Customer automatically buying that. Okay. So they never mind about anything about their sales. Okay. Always concentrate their R&D and research to give a better product and better service.
How can Indian founders think more globally from day one?
See, always their mind should think about globally. Okay, that's what my one of the mentors said that. Okay, think globally, act locally. Okay. So there's a famous quote my mentor gave. Okay. So he is a philanthropist. Okay, he is a social activist. That person name is Nirmal. He is always giving this input to me. Okay. So always you can think globally, act locally. Okay. So most of them will be think globally, act globally. So that's the way most of times they are failing that.
So what's the hardest decision you made in business and what did you learn from it?
Most of the times are hardest decision only. Okay. So every day challenges is there. Every day is hardest decision only. So so when I said that, right, when we started during my college days, that company. Yeah. So I never expected that. Okay, within a 3 to 4 months we need to close that. Okay, so so it's very difficult for me to close that. Okay. So that is a one thing. And second thing, during Corona period, okay, so very challenges to run their food business. Okay, that time it's very difficult to managing our overheads. So we face a lot of challenges for that. Okay, once within a within a 1 or 2 weeks, all these entire companies, entire outlets are closed. Okay, so we don't have. We already planned certain things. We already have overheads. We already have loans and everything. We have that, but suddenly everything closed. That we are difficult to run there. Okay. So we difficult to giving a salary to our employees. So that time very difficult for me to take challenges for that. And one more thing is when we are running one crew, those time. Okay, so when suddenly one client is exit. Okay, so that time we don't have a choice to get client immediately. Okay. Okay, because one of the biggest problem most of them are did that, right. Their 90% of business one or two client. Okay, so that is one of the biggest challenges when we are losing that client. So suddenly your overheads will be high. Your expenditures will be high. It's very difficult for us to run their show for next month. Okay. Okay. So that time it's very hard to take that. Okay, that's the first time. Before that, our company is a cash rich company. That time entire things is collapse. Okay, we need to pay that debt for that. So we need to pay for all these overheads. Okay, so our overheads is almost 20 to 25 lakhs. Okay. So because we hired more number of people because of that particular client, we didn't have any choice for them. Even if you are sending out your employees, you need to give 1 or 2 months salary. Okay, that it's very difficult for within a day we want to take a decision. So we took loan for that. When we are approaching loan, very difficult to getting that below 1 crores company getting a loan. Okay. So we approached many people and we get that loan for various people. So that one of the challenges we faced that. Okay. So after 1 year, over a period only we understand that okay, if you have more number of client, then only you need to have more number of employees and more number of you simply giving a salary for your employees without getting a client. Okay. So that's what I learned from that. So then we start decreasing our employees. Okay. On final day we decided that we don't require, we start cost cutting everything. Okay. Where we want to do a cost cutting. So I took a decision for that. Okay. That hardest decision that okay, whether we can really looking for that particular place and particular employee. So that is one of the challenges I never faced that. Okay. So for that particular company. So and one more thing, so we also have we work with one startup as well. Okay. So we also hold some stake for that. So that time also that company also we want to come out of that. Okay. So no other option for that because without salary and without getting that any remuneration, we work with that. So that time also we very challenges to took a decision for that. So instead of looking our company, we most of our time we gave that company. Okay. Because we want to grow that particular startup. We mentor that. Okay. And we are supported that startup. Okay. So but it's very difficult to overcome that. One more thing I can say for the founder, why I said before itself, okay, you should not take a salary for that unless you will be engaging, you will make more revenue and you will sustainable profit. Okay. Before getting that profit, you should have a backup for that 1.5 years. Okay. For your own expenditure. Okay. If you don't have that proper plan, better you don't start that startup. Okay. Okay. Otherwise, you will be struggle for each and every stage. Okay. Okay. So because I didn't take a salary for more than 5 years. Okay. So whenever if it's required, that time only we'll take some small amount. Okay. Most of the times, whatever I worked in that the startup, so I didn't take any salary. Okay. Because we all, as a founder, as a responsibility, we should not take that. Okay. Yes. If you want to take a salary, then you should make a profit. You should make more number of revenue and clients. Then probably you can take that. Okay. So otherwise, you should first you can plan for that. Okay. You first finding a client. Then you can build that product. Okay. Experiment that. Okay. Then probably you can go with that.
What advice do you have for someone who's 20 years old watching this, who wants to build real wealth through business?
See, there is no age. Okay. So end of the day, how you learned about that. Okay. So probably you know that our Asian days. Okay. So Nadars, you know that. Okay. Okay. So Nadars generally what they will do that. The Nadars are probably Marwadis or probably these Jains. These people what they will do that, right? During their childhood days onwards. Okay. Their father they decided involving with him business. Okay. Okay. they'll learn a business. They'll go for their job and they will be handling their financials. They'll handling their customer. They're handling their sales, everything. Okay. That is a way you can learn about that. Okay. If you want to do something, you should learn about that. You can read lot of books. You can listen lot of podcasting. You can listen and you can view lot of videos. Okay. And you can also go and meet lot of people. And you can go and see whatever product you want to buy. You can ask more number of shops and interact with them. Then you can how this interaction will be there. You can understand about that, and you do more R&D on that. So even if you want to start a business, see, I have seen that 10-year-old kid started a startup. Okay, I have seen 15 years old kid started a startup. Okay, I have seen 18 years old student started startup. Okay, I have seen 21 years old adult started a startup. Okay, 40 years, 30 years, 50 years, ages doesn't matter. Okay, end of the day, they should have required knowledge. They should gather more information on that, and they should implement more about that. Okay, then you can do that. Whether it's IT, whether it's manufacturing, whether it's environment, okay, whether it's deep tech, whether it's AI, or whether it's development any software, whether it's any app. Okay, simple, give a solution for that. Try to solve that solution and do more and more, participate more hackathon, build ideas, and more you will go. And whenever you get that time, and you go and find more companies and meet their founders, interact with them during your college days onwards. How they build a product, how their success their product. Ask a question. End of the day, whatever you will ask, they will reply that. Okay, and do an internship with them. See, I want to do a part time with you. Okay, during after my college days, after my college time, because probably you are day college or evening college. This is for all students. Okay, or even you are engineering student. You have a time for evening. Okay, approach them. Sir, I want to learn. Okay, instead of learning your college, you will be many things when you are interacting with CEO or CFO or any companies, any startup company. You can learn lot of things. Whatever small thing, also you can give a contribution. Okay, sir, I can do this work for you. You just give me opportunity. So where you can learn lot of things. You will explain about his experience. Okay, you can show many things. Okay, you can experiment many things. Okay, so and you can also experiment out of that. Then you can also have even your school days also. After 10th, probably you go any shop, walk there, understand about sales. Okay, after you are and go for any auditor office. If you want to go for related to financial product, you want to go for any auditor office. Sir, I want to learn that. Simply, I'm learning there. You give me opportunity. Any work you can say, I can do that. Whatever job, you can go and do that. Don't waste your time. Okay, and learn that. If you are learning from the childhood, when you have some kind of knowledge, you can easily start 18 years or 20 years. Age doesn't matter. End of the day, you should have that skill. If you have that skill, you can start that and implement that, experiment that. End of the day, if you are giving a solution for that, Reliance also come and fund you. You always, whether you will go for innovation or differentiation, you will see that every day you will see that some problem. So see, for example, if you look at that Ola, how the Ola will be start, how this idea is created. Okay, probably this is a differentiation from Uber. Okay, they have seen that, okay, outside whenever they travel, they have seen that, okay, there is a huge gap for that logistic, and most of them are standing outside, and most of buses are rush, train rush, auto rush, everywhere crowded. We don't have a solution. Then he decided, okay, build a product. That product is a aggregator for taxi driver and customer. Okay. Initially is build that product and experiment that. Finally, it come to many people start using that. Now, without Ola and Uber or some other Rapido, people will not think and go on, because early days how we will be go there. We will be searching for that auto driver, searching for a car driver, searching for travels. Now everything common solution, right? Same thing, Swiggy. Okay, they just think about that. Okay, so how we can eat inside outside house itself. Okay, so how we can do that? So he faced that problem. After that only he found that idea. That is a way. Okay, every day when you are traveling, when you are going, when you are sitting, you have one problem. Take that problem, solve that problem. You will have product. You will have a solution. How we want to give that solution? Think about that. Experiment that. Finally, you will get that. Okay, when you are using your app, okay, any app, okay, you can see some lag will be there. Some problem will be there. Take that problem, solve that. You get the product. Then you can approach that. Okay, probably if you find some problem in Swiggy, you can directly approach to Swiggy. Okay, you have this problem. I have this solution. Will you fund this product? I'll take this. Or you can approach any investor. See, I have seen that Swiggy have this problem. Okay, so this is a way I'm also facing for that. I'm a customer. Also, now I got that some idea. So I worked that idea. Finally, I got that solution. Okay, if you are funding this, I can build that product. People will come and fund you. So there is no problem. Okay, for example, for this even I interacted with Ritesh Agarwal. Recently also we had an interaction with him. Okay, Oyo, initially how he started. He go and he actually went many places, okay, many hostels, okay, many PGs, and spend some time, stay some time, understand that problem. Finally, he's found some idea. Okay, then build for Oyo. Okay, maybe initially he's got some idea from Airbnb. Okay, but that time itself he got some idea about that. Okay, so you can easily do that. Then probably for young people, you start go with any like Y Combinator or accelerators. Go with your ideas and implement hackathon. These things, and Thrill Foundation is there. Apply that, because before 24 years only you can apply that. Experiment that idea. That time itself you will get a fund. See, if you have a proper solution, your idea will be a scalable and sustainable model. People come and fund you. No need to chase for that, because people are chasing for investment. Okay, that is why I say that always. So I gave a clear picture about that. See, every day we have problem. Everyone have a problem. Okay, some kind of problem they will see that. Take one problem and solve that, and interesting problem which is more interesting for you. Your mind will be say that, okay, this idea probably I can and list out all this problem. Every day problem, you just list out that. Okay, it will come to 15 or 20 problem will be there. Okay, and you can search that whether any solution is there before itself, globally or locally. Okay, I'm not finding any solution. Okay, then tick mark. Okay. Next level. Okay, will there anybody is working for that? Then you can again check that. Okay. Then you will be know about that. Okay, and start. Okay, that particular company, you start interacting with them. After interacting that, okay, then still now nobody's solved this problem. Then again you come back that and get that solution. Okay. Once you get that solution, again you interact with them, and you also start interacting with their competitor, distributor, or their client, or their customers. Interact with various chain of people. Okay, find out that okay, really they are also facing that problem. Then okay, everyone is facing that problem. We require that, or something you want to start something. This is for a future. You want to know that. Okay, this is a future. We are seeing that. Work out that idea. When you are going for first time person, right? Most of the time rejection will be there. Because many people using that, then you don't have a problem. Okay, already is there. You are a differentiation and you are solving a problem. You are giving a solution. That's why I can say that. When you are going for innovation, you should have a clear clarity to explain. One of the biggest thing missing for most of startup is storytelling. When you are going for any building anything, right, you should not just like that reading the PPT. Okay, you should start learn for storytelling. Experiment that storytelling. When you are having proper storytelling, then only you can get that investment.
Okay. Thank you so much for your valuable insights and experience. It was an absolute pleasure having you.